Mr. Speaker, I thank the Honourable Usamate for the question. The criteria determining whether a specific infrastructure project is handled by the Fiji Roads Authority or the Public Works Department is guided by legislative mandates, functional distinctions, and the evolving institutional transition currently underway. The FRA established under the FRA Act 2012 is primarily responsible for the management, maintenance, and upgrading of all national roads and associated infrastructure. However, over the years, it has become increasingly evident that rural roads, especially those in remote and less accessible areas, have not received adequate attention. This situation led to a strategic government decision to revive the PWD, whose original role is still legally preserved under the Roads Act 1914, which was never repealed when the FRA Act came into force. As part of this shift, all rural roads, those located outside of town and city boundaries, are now designated to fall under the responsibility of the PWD. The FRA will progressively phase out its involvement in the construction of new rural roads and instead focus on the management, maintenance, and upgrading of existing and expansion national road infrastructure. Once fully resourced, the PWD through the Department of National Roads will also be responsible for the development of national road policies, some of which are currently underway, and the setting of construction and maintenance standards across Fiji. Mr. Speaker, so it is important to note that we are currently in a transition phase. While efforts are ongoing to restore and re-establish rural depots and build capacity within the PWD, the FRA continues to manage all national roads, including those in rural areas. This temporary arrangement ensures continuity in service delivery until the PWD is fully operational and capable of assuming its full mandate. In summary, the division of responsibilities is guided by FRA Act 2012. FRA handles national roads, primarily focusing on maintenance, rehabilitation, and new national main trunk roads. Roads Act 1914, PWD's role in rural roads is being reactivated. Geographical classification, as mentioned, PWD will handle basically rural roads, FRA national networks, institutional capacity. During the transition, FRA retains oversight until the PWD infrastructure and resourcing are fully restored. Thank you.